So guys, I did something off stream and I need your help. I need your help. Watch this. I made a... I can do a circle and even an ellipse. Let me show you. So this is a circle right here. The white one, okay? Should be obvious. This is a circle and I can turn that into an ellipse. What is that? Ellipse height factor. I also started using Real Superco's collision detection method. Let me find that. Which is literally just this. And I think it only works if both ellipses have the same height factor. Is that correct, Mr. Real Superco? So if I have a height factor of 0.6 and a height factor of 0.8, that wouldn't work anymore. Yeah. And so it's basically like... but it only works with... It only works with length, right? I can't multiply this with itself on each side, right? I can't to the power of 2 this, can I? So like length squared, you can. Cool. So essentially I can do this times this, right? Then that's even a little bit more efficient. Why do you comment comments? Have Cakes, why do you comment comments? Oh, this is just so I can do this. That's why. It's a Visual Studio Code thing. Okay. Now listen, guys. Here's the thing. I have drawn this first ellipse, or I draw this ellipse, and I can turn this into... Yeah, I drew the circle. I can turn this into an ellipse. That's nothing new. Now here's what I banned him. Here's what I'm trying to do. I tried doing yesterday, but I didn't finish. Take a look at this here, the progress bar. I tried to get a like cake-like progress bar, circular-like progress bar, and the progress can be set here. If I set it to 0.6, 0.7, it basically creates a smaller slice. 0.1. So essentially, why do I want to do this? I want to do this because whenever I select a unit and place it next to a tree, I want to do the balloon thing of showing that this guy cannot attack in this direction. And therefore, I need to show somewhat of a circle like this, where a slice of the circle is red instead of blue, indicating that I cannot attack that in that direction. I cannot see in this direction. And so in the shader, I usually do that with a circular gradient. Yes. So essentially, the smooth step here, color, is I don't know what it does actually here. The game does look nice. Thank you, man. Thank you, Simbuni. We're currently working on collision detection, somewhat 3D-like in a 2D game, using ellipses. Morning, Cakes. How are you? Good morning, sir. Hello, Majestic Lego. Hope you're doing good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Hey, mister. I just want to say that I appreciate your effort to share your dev journey with us. I wish the biggest success ever. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I think the biggest success that I could earn, even if my game doesn't earn any money would be to release my game. To have my game out there, to have people play my game, pay for my game, and give me real reviews, feedback. Because then everything I say, you know, let's say in YouTube videos or whatever, gets that much more weight behind it because I finally released my first game. And on top of that, I can excitedly start maybe a small new project as well. So I think that will be the biggest success in my life. Obviously, I will be disappointed if it doesn't do very well. However, the most important part, I think, is that I get my game out there at some point. That's very nice, Cakez. What are you doing to make releasing a game reality? Oh yeah, reacting for 2 hours and coding for 30 minutes a day. Sure. Find a job in game dev? No, I don't want to find a job in game dev. I want to keep doing what I'm doing right now. I would love this to be my job, what I do today, every day. That would be awesome. That's ultimately what I want. I want to be a streamer. What's your current job? Streaming and then 2 side jobs. One writing scripts for a company and the other one helping them with programming tasks. Dr. K said it as well. Said it well. Base your definition of success only on variables you are in control of. Yeah. That makes it more achievable in a sense, and it is less depressing if it doesn't work out because you can only blame yourself. You can't blame others. So for example, if your game doesn't sell well, right, you could blame others for not buying the game. You could blame marketing. You could blame another game coming out. You could blame Steam. You could blame, I don't know, the programming language you used. But you can't blame, but if you don't blame yourself, then where's the responsibility? Blame your viewers, yeah. So, guys, I have 2 questions. I know that one time you guys told me that if I wanted to pixelate this into pixel art, all I had to do was literally just 1 line of shader code. I tried to find that 1 line of shader code yesterday, but I just couldn't find it. Does any one of you know how to turn this into pixel art by my own definition of how tall the pixel art is? So for example, I know that we have to like turn this into blocks now, and the resolution of those blocks is something that I can control. Does any one of you know how to do that? Has any one of you ever tried doing that and maybe knows a link? Did your ellipse collision started working? Yes, Doomiel. We started getting it working by making it so that ellipses can only be... They can only be the same squashness, height factor. So if I say that an ellipse has 100 width, then the height is a factor of the width that is smaller than 1. For example, 0.8, 0.9, 0.6. And that height factor has to be true for every single ellipse in my game. And I created a constant. And if I now take that height factor for the ellipse and turn that into... it's actually very easy to see on this guy here. If I place these guys together, this is... I fixed that too yesterday. They can't be placed on top of each other anymore. Now I try to do ellipse collision. You see that here? And you see that this white circle is the collision range. If I get closer than the white circle, I can't place him anymore. You see that? Now, I can take this here, turn that to 1, and watch what happens. It is actually a circle now. So if I ever want to go back to circular colliders in the future, all I have to do is change this factor here. So if we decide that, oh, ellipses in this 2D game for collision are terrible, the players hate it, I just have to change this number. And we are good. It had to do... So if the gradient can be the same resolution as the characters, that should work, right? Are you using a circular gradient? I think Frack is involved. Yeah, I think so too. Dr. K needs a doctor. He's trying to fit world to his perspective and translate little generics. What? Just started playing Elden Ring. It's so damn hard, but enjoyable. Hey, my man. Yeah, it's a great game. I would love to get to Elden Ring today as well. I have a lot of stuff planned. Hopefully we get to it. Ellipses are hard. That's why elliptical curves are used in cryptography too. So guys, this is just a circle. How can I turn something that I draw on the GPU into pixel art? This is what I use coding green. Did you find a good algorithm? It's essentially circular collision. Let me show you. This is everything you need. So essentially you take the difference between the two ellipses and then you multiply that difference, I don't know, by 1 divided by the height factor. So the height factor of an ellipse, this only works for two ellipses that have the same height factor. If you have two different ellipses, one that's squashed more and one that's squashed less, it won't work. So height factor for my ellipses is 0.8 in this case. So you multiply this by 1 divided by that. I don't know why it's 1 divided. Absolutely no idea why it's inverted. And then you just do a simple distance check. In my case, I do length squared because I don't want to use a square root. And then you just add the sizes on the x-axis together of those two ellipses. And in my case, I do that squared because then I don't have to do a square root on the length of the vector. Good morning, Webbe. Long time no see. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Hey, I've been loving your YouTube videos lately. Thank you, Tobos. I really appreciate it, bro. Thanks for letting me know. Hello, good morning, Push. How's it going? What is your quad input for the cake diagram? 0 to 1 texture coordinates, pixel size, whatnot. Oh yeah, this is what I use to draw a circle. I have local UVs, I multiply them by 2 so I can get from 0 to 2. Then I do -1, making it so that 0 is in the middle. And then I do the dot product of the two to get the length in squared, I guess, or the length. And then if the length is greater than 1, I discard, or equal to 1, I discard. So basically that's creating the circle. And when I do a normal circle, I also set the color of alpha to 1, which in this case behaves like the following. So essentially, this is what I did before. So that's my circle. And you can see that this is the circle. It's basically quite familiar to this circle right here. I used a different color actually. Let me see, color. So I used, I think it was 28 before. You will be able to tell that this is, yeah, I think it's a bit more dark. 27, actually. Yeah, so it's close, right? You see this? And so what I wanted to do was just have this be the attack range circle, but I want it to be pixelated. I don't want it to be, yeah, I want it to be pixelated. So now I have to figure out how to use a fraction and shit in the shader so that it's pixelated. I don't know what to do here. You could do alpha blend rather than discarding pixels, right? Yeah, I could also do an alpha blend, but I don't know how to do that actually. I think it's this here. Maybe. Maybe it's this color here. Let me check. I mean, let's see. Yeah, it does work. So this is essentially the circle here. However, I still don't know how to turn this into pixel art. And unfortunately, whenever someone linked me that piece of code that turned anything into pixel art that I wanted to, I totally forgot how to do that. I forgot to save it. So now I don't know how that person got that or what he did. Does anyone of you guys know where to get that? Like, is there like, what do I Google even? Like, it's fine if you guys don't know. I would love to Google. Like, how to, like, I don't know, what do you Google for this? Pixel art shader? Effect shader toy? Just stop forgetting, bro. Use ChatGPT. Pixel shader, pixelate shader, pixelate shader. Pixelate shader, shader toy. Pixelate effect. Hey? This, oh. Okay, oh god, why is there so much? Why is it so much? What? Load state? Load float? Fragment coordinates to linear, transform UV coordinates to a linear index. From 1 to resolution. Remember that UV range. Cakes. You have a better one that you found? Yeah. Oh, cool. Steps. Floor. UV times steps plus 0.5. Then RGB is UV. Okay. What does that mean? Okay, so I do have UVs here. Now, what does UV equals floor mean? Okay. I have local UVs. Steps, okay. Pixelate. Pixelate. Hopefully that doesn't crash. Okay, it doesn't crash. And then it turns something to UV. Can I multiply that? Ignore the fragment color, it just outputs the display. I made this one, this is UV to sample a texture. UV, wait, the alpha is UV.x maybe? Hey? I don't see a difference. Oh, wait. Okay, it does look pixelated, but okay, wait. Huh? Lol? Wait, that's not what I want. Time sequence? Wait, now I'm confused. Hey? That's not what I want. I just want it to be pixelated. I also made one. It's probably dog shit. Is it really that difficult to do this? Eh? What? What? Eh? I can't change this code. Aha. It's a little squashed. Can't read. Oh, I see. I'm sorry. Drag the mouse. But it's uneven. It's uneven. Sorry. Because your coordinates is already in the center. You don't need to do plus 0.5 because it's already in the center. Okay. Let's try. But it seems like it changes the alpha. But I think maybe that's what we need. No. Hello, Aizen. Good morning. I don't understand. Thank you very much. Chakam Jakum. Oh, I don't understand. It turns... I want it to... Basically, I want it to have hard edges. That's like the dream. Right? I don't want this to be round. I want this to be hard edges. You know? So if I say, okay, well, we have 8 steps, then, yeah. If only Superco gave a hint earlier. Fine. We'll take a look at Mr. Supercool's hint. Let us check what he has to say. What if you do local UV equals integer local UV times 30 divided by 30? Okay. What does that mean? Maybe it is an issue. Oh, I can't see the problem here. What is it complaining about? Undefined variable integer. Oh, it's supposed to be int, I guess, huh? And then error assignment to local UVs. Yeah. Yeah. And then implicit cast from float to vector 2. But local UVs is... wait, is it here? Guys, local UVs is a vector too. Guys, local UVs is an vector too. Guys, this is a vector too. This is a vector too. It is already a vector too. Use floor. Ah, I see, so it just behaves differently on his machine. Fuck off! Sorry. Okay. And then undefined error syntax. Comma. Oh yeah. There was a thing missing here. Okay. Now it should work. Looks like it doesn't do anything. It doesn't change anything. Nah, it's the alpha before you calculate the length squared. Oh, I see. So you mean here. But then... Like, you mean here? But then I guess I need to use UVs, right? There's no way. Fuck! God damn it! So close! God damn it! Wait, maybe sprite size is 0. Oh, right. Wait. Ah! Yes. Holy shit, look at that, guys. Oh my god. I got scammed? No, it's just paused. I'm gonna unpause it in a second, bro. Mr. Super Cool, like, how do you know this stuff? That's crazy. How? How is he doing that? Now, guys, watch this. What? Excuse me. Watch this. Now, we do 0.99, right? This is from 0 to 1. Length squared. So the length goes outside till 1 gigadev. Hey guys, by the way, what does this do even? 99,1 smooth step. I understand the length squared here and this as well. Like, how do I set? Like the alpha value, by the way, to it maps 0.999 to 1 into 0 to 1. I don't understand. Next to nothing but a slightly smoother border. A slightly smoother border? This... Guys, if I get rid of this, I have a quad. Do you get this? Like, if I get rid of this, I have a quad, guys. So 0.999 is 0. And 1 is 1. You still need the 1 minus? No, guys, it does something else. It turns it into a circle. It can't be just a border. Yeah, whatever. I'm just not... I think I'm just gonna use the if because I'm too stupid to use... God, I hate it! I hate being stupid! God damn it! Sorry, my God. Fuck! Why do I not understand? Fucking stuck to it. Smith, skip the smooth step, just one. Wait. Length squared. What does that mean? Wait, guys, what does length squared in there mean? Good job, Cakez. That was amazing work. Hi, bros in the zone. Hey, Code Red. That's doing the clipping now. I don't understand. So if it is 99, it maps it to 0 or 1? If it's 99, it maps it to 1 or 0? Cakez, try smooth step. 0.5. Okay. Fine. Shut the fuck up, Asen. Shut the fuck up, Asen. Pretty. I'll ban you guys for writing that emote, you know. I'll ban you. Hey, guys on YouTube, the wholesome... fuck Inukai instead of Inukai. Everyone else on YouTube, should I ban these guys that do the two-header loading emote? Should I ban these guys? Not Inukai. I just gave you a compliment. Let's write something like some issue with it. So, okay, guys. Okay, fine. If this smooth step creates a smooth border, right? Is there a way? Like, I don't understand this, okay? So maybe you guys do. Can someone please explain to me this shit? Because I set the alpha to 1, do I not? I set the alpha here to 1. Shouldn't this be fully opaque? Why is it not opaque? Why is it transparent if I set the alpha to 1? I don't understand. Because of the blend mode? Okay, so I should do this. Material color alpha minus equals. No. No, it's not the blending. I want this color here. I want to keep the color and discard outside. Essentially, I want this little easy if check with this dog shit smooth step function that not a single person in the universe can understand. Because it's shit! I'm sorry, I want this! I want this! It's so easy! See that? If check. It's so easy to understand. I don't understand. So what do I do wrong? I want it to be 1. Wait, it's a smooth step. So first I need to do something else. No, it's material. The alpha, right? That is supposed to be. What's your alpha right now if you don't change it? That's this. This is my alpha. Like 0.5, 0.6. I mean, I could give it to you exactly. 0.5. So in the fragment shader, I want to keep it. I actually need to keep the color. 1 minus the smooth step. Multiply. I tried multiplying. Am I dumb? Okay, then how do I do this? How do I do this now? What I wanted to do here is create some sort of, you see this? Do you see this, guys? I wanted to create an outline. Something like that. Which almost works. You see that? Pixel perfect is gonna be difficult without post-processing it. Yeah, it looks like. Why are you drawing circles now instead of textures? The reason why I'm drawing this circle is because of this. Because I want to draw something like this. It is essentially the same idea as in Bloons, where when you place a unit, part of the circle will not be attackable. You cannot attack in this direction where the black slice is, because it is obscured by an obstacle. And so in order to do that, I want to create a nice looking circle computationally. Yeah, just was slow to update. So that I can basically eat into this circle. That's the attackable area, yeah. It is going to be difficult to create a pixel art outline. I see it now. Perfectly. It should probably be sprite size. It's gotta be 1.0 divided by sprite size dot x or y. I mean, it would work on a perfect circle. Float outline is, and then 1.0 minus that, right? And then if length squared is greater than outline. No. Just make one mini circle texture coordinates. 1 million circle texture coordinates? Nah. You tried it before, but you forgot about the 1. I see. Is this wrong here? Shouldn't this be it? 1 minus, 1 divided by? Maybe on y. That gives me a couple more. Maybe I have to multiply the entire thing by 2. Wait, that's wrong. Let him cook. Yeah, I'm cooking right now. I think it's this. You're also using length square, so it's by itself. Yeah, could be it too. So this, right? Wow, that has almost no effect, but yeah. 1 divided by sprite size y times 2. I don't think that's it. Because if I do 1 divided by the sprite size, let's say I have a sprite of 100 pixels, I divide 1 by 100, I get 0.1. And so then the outline here is supposed to be something high. I also want to test this, where it's like 299. How do I do that? So guys, between outline and 0.99, it's 1, right? How does this work? This is just the outline then. If I do plus, I get this. What if I do 1? Nothing. Okay, it looks like I have to do this. Mr. Almeida, thank you very much. You're too kind, bro. Try to change the 1 to smaller numbers like 0.95 perhaps. Well, 0.9 looks this. I think this is almost perfect. If I just do 0.9. Let's see what happens on very small. Float size is 50. Then we do size and size here. Let's do a smaller one of 40. 40, bro. Make it smaller. It's not bad. I don't hate it. What do you think, guys? What is your opinion on this? I think I like it, actually. So we could even do 8, 9 or 8, 8. 8, 5. It's just a smooth outline. What does it do exactly? The outline? No, I think you guys are overreacting. Absolutely, you're wrong. You're wrong. I think it looks good. You know what the cool thing about this is? Let me show you. Let me show you exactly. Was just thinking with this new ellipse, you can move all your shadows over to this method. Circle outlines should be smooth. But it is. It is smooth. So watch what happens. Watch. Okay, how do I do this? Radius times 2. Or let's call it floor diameter is radius times 2. And then we have diameter. And the diameter times the height factor for the ellipse. Oh yeah, and then the color would be the color here, I guess. Okay, now watch. Okay, you guys are ready? Where do I draw the other one? This one here. You guys ready? Shit. Wait. A second. 1 second. It needs to take in the position, of course. The center. No, you just wait. Whoops. That bloom oval looks good. Yeah, I did that yesterday too. I needed to do something. Why? Why? Is it not drawing the outline here? I don't understand. Why is it not drawing this outline? I'm confused. Now, guys, like something is wrong here. Didn't I? Huh? Huh? I literally have the exact same thing. Wow, looks so good. This guy must be good at programming. Okay. You tried it before, but you forgot about the one. Like how you do... I like how your draw quad function draws a circle really fucking outside the box. Don't let the haters on Twitch discourage you. This looks amazing. The outline blends in. No, it shouldn't. Because it's a plus. Here. It shouldn't blend in. Because I'm setting the alpha to 1. That makes no sense. Let's see. Maybe it's because of the color. Aha. See? Take a look at this. This doesn't look bad at all. Look. Now I just need to make it so that in the shader, I want to do something else. Maybe this. Oh, wow. I mean, damn. He's actually cooking. Huh? Now watch this. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, wait. I've taken this to the next level! Yeah! Fucking yesterday all day! Oh. Okay. Okay, watch. I have an idea. Oof. Woo! Okay. Bloom. I just had to do it. Zoom. Hey guys, boom. Boom, boom. Only the edges? I can't do only the edges. Oh man. Or maybe I can. My eyes. Keep the bloom but make it slightly less. With the bloom it looks like the Tangy reaches final form. Yeah, right. Goodness. I think it will look super good if you only make it the edges. I don't think I can. I think it also grabs too much attention. Well, let's see here. And you know what the cool thing about this is? Let me show you. Let me show you. Watch. If I decide ever I want circles instead. It's that easy. It is that easy. Yeah. It's not a circle. That's a circle. You're wrong. You can multiply the circle mask to bloom, so it will only do the outline bloom. I think what I can do, yes, is... Not sure how I could do that. And the fragment shader... I can write to the bloom color. But I guess I can't here. Because I do this here. That's crazy, you bragged with this feature that Supercool developed. Yeah, he did the pixel art thing, that's true. That's true. Without Supercool, I could have never done the pixel art thing. That's true. 100%. Oh, Prodigy, long time no see. Hope you're doing good, bro. Now is a good time to commit the code. Yeah, but we're not done yet. We're almost done. Almost. I can't do it because this check right here. Unless I can write to the bloom color twice. I could potentially just take this and not... And then just put it here. And then say, okay, how do we do this? I would have to do an if. I think. Like, what does this return? This returns me 0 or 1, right? What does this return? This smooth step. If it's greater than 0? It returns here. Okay, another... Leave me alone, switch it the fuck up, bitch. 20 bits for all contributors that are pushing the game to the finish line, like real Supercool, TCAP, that are giving me hope that the game will release in my lifetime, and Cakez for not being a bitch and taking the offer to help. Thanks for 20 bits, bitch. A smooth step returns 1 is on shape, 0 less than 0 if inside shape, greater than 0 if outside shape. If inside shape? I'll try this. I'll try this. I don't know like what I'm supposed to do here. Not sure, guys. I have no clue. Obviously it asserts now. Why is that? Implicit cast. Ah, yeah. This is supposed to be a vec 4. Okay, it doesn't change yet. Let's go to the game and remove. I hate that, you know. I really do hate that. But it's fine. It's totally fine. I'm not mad. Let's see here. Is it bloomified? Is it bloomified, guys? It's difficult to tell. I think it is. Yeah, it is. It actually is. I think it's too much though, guys. Yeah, it's too much. Maybe I just do RGB. It actually works. Yeah. See that, guys? However, I think it's too much. I think it's too much. I think this is good enough. Maybe like minus equals times 2, 5, 10. Wait, but it shouldn't it give me... Wait. Cakes. My bad. Thank you, bro, Mr. Amida. Yeah, Mr. Amida. Cakes. You should ask Supercool to already cook up the segment stuff for the version, for the vision thing too, so you can implement it without wasting too much time. Shut the fuck up. How will you implement the line of sight cutout of the circle, Cakes? That is going to be two angles being sent to the GPU. Solving coding issues is my favorite Steam content, Cakes. My man, thank you, thank you. Plain looks better. Plain does look better. I'm trying to turn this into black. But I can't. Why is it not black? Maybe because it's additive blending, and additive blending doesn't do anything. If I just turn it transparent, it will be black. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. What do you think, guys? So essentially I turn this into like a black. Nah? Why not? Why not? White looks better? Yeah? You think so? You like white more, like this. Make it bloom? Nah, bloom is shit. Bloom is shit, bro. Maybe blue? You mean just blue? More blue? I can't really tell. Ha! Look at that! But nah, we can't do that because... Yeah, we'll do it like this. Gray, black is better. We'll keep it like that for now, guys. It's fine. Awesome. This is cool. Now, the cool thing about this is that this pixel art, kinda pixel art ring, now it's not perfect, right? But at least, if I get more weapons, as the ring gets bigger, it still looks like a pixel art ring. You see this? It is still a pixel art ring. I think it is too opaque at the moment. So we do have to change something here. I think the alpha of 0.8 is too much. Maybe 0.7. And maybe I do want to use additive blending. Yeah. Try to not make it too much. I think this is fine. I would love it to be a little bit darker though. Maybe it's possible to do that here. Oh goodness. Where's this music from again? Yeah, this is, I think this is it. Oh, Dragon Ball Z, yeah, true, true. You can use the step function in place of smooth step for more sharpness, I think. The reason why I want to use smooth step here is so that it blends into the circle and I get enough pixels outside to create a good outline. And it doesn't look bad. You see how it starts to blend in? So for example, if I do this, then it would start blending in. Maybe 8 or 8 is, or 9. I think 9 was good. Yeah. Okay, cool. Ah, man. Cakez, implement gradient for opacity, starting fully transparent in the center, become more opaque outwards. I don't know how to do that, bro. I think it's a lerp. So I think it's material.color.alpha is lerp. And I don't know how to use lerp again. Pork, Bloom is back. No, Bloom is not back on this. Also, I think I shouldn't do that. Let's see. I don't know how to do that. 0 to 1 using length squared or something. Yeah, I don't know. I've never used lerp before. Does not define a global... Oh, it's called mix. We don't have lerp, but we have mix. I don't know why it's called mix. Oh, it's the other way around. I mean, that looks good too. Wow. Take a look at this, guys. Huh? Huh? Maybe now Bloom? No, Bloom is too much. Bloom is too much. It looks great. Yeah, I think we keep it. Isn't lerp X? Isn't it just X? I mean, you're right. You're right. Thank you very much for following. Dionysios and Zloy Holodeck. I think it's good when I start out the stream with some programming and get some progress done. What do you guys think? And I have another cool video that we can watch today that has to do with what I'm trying to do at the moment, which is balance and making games fun to play. Because that's what I want. I want my game to be incredibly fun to play. Like, it's the most important thing. I want this to be cakes. Outline, you could also use dfx dx, dfx dy. I don't understand how that works. Okay, like, could you explain to me how to do this in my case? Because, like, I'm starting to get brain issues with... Oh, the Dev Dad, thank you very much for raiding. I'm starting to get brain issues with... converting from shader toy to GLSL. Like, my brain, like, it does function. Replace alpha. What can I even do? dfdx? So you say material.color.alpha. Hello guys, hope you're doing good. Thank you so much for joining. We are currently working on a tower defense game, and I've been making the game for about 3 years, and currently we are working on collision detection, aka how do I want units in this more or less top-down game to detect whether they can attack a unit or not. And as part of that, we need attack range circles, and we have just done one in code using a shader. And this is currently the result. And we're trying to make it look pixel arty while being completely generated on the fly on the GPU. Remove the white border cakes? No, everyone loves it. You're the only one that doesn't like it. We do it in JavaScript. Collision detection, yes. Well, so we have elliptical collision detection in the game because it's more like a top-down, and this perspective works better than a circle. I can show you how a circle looks. Oh, excuse me. This is what a circle... Hey! Shit. Fuck. Yeah, sorry about that. This is what a circle looks in this game. And I think it doesn't really fit the perspective. The perspective should look... You swallow yes, constantly? No, I started making myself doner kebabs. My own doner kebabs. In like this style right here. I think we still have that on food. Oh god, you guys' food looks so good, man. I started making myself these, and I think the Zwiebeln, the onions, make me inhale a lot of air. Because I just started burping a lot lately. And this is the only thing I changed. I make these myself every day. Raw onion? No, it's not raw onion. It's onion like I made this on the stove. How do onions make you inhale? No, I think onions just create air in the stomach or something. Maybe. What about the schnitzel diet? Takes too long to make. It takes so long to make. That's why I would do it. Onions make you gassy? Yeah, that happens too. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're currently working on, and we are trying to create a cool looking outline, and there's a bunch of suggestions in chat, and this is the suggestion from AQ. So I'm supposed to use... I don't think I can even do an if check like that. So like, this is the only thing I don't like about Shader Toy. Why is the Shader Toy language so different from actual GLSL or HLSL? Replace alpha with material color.alpha. I get an error and I can't see it, unfortunately. I don't know why. Maybe because I have to like press X here. Failed to compile shader. Declaration of outline conflicts with previous outline. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, what did I just do? Let's restart this really quickly so we can put this guy here to the left. What did I just do? Now, currently I don't have a single outline, bro. Now I have this outline. What am I supposed to do with that? Hey, Cakez. Did you consider investing some time to improve the character variety of your game? Maybe adding a new character from the game Among Us. I think that would make your game more successful. Thank you. Did you change your name to Peter Penis, bro? Is that the same person that keeps asking about Among Us? Please look how it looks now without the border, please. We did, man. It looks bad. Sure. Give me a second. Here. There you go. Looks bad. It needs an outline. 100%. Material color RGBL plus. Okay. Yeah, so basically this, but we do the vector 4 of the outline. Alright, brother. Hey, okay. What the fuck? It doesn't change, bro. Nothing changes. It's such a small outline. Never mind. Okay. I mean, I think we had a better outline before, but yeah, it was a good idea, sir. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think, guys, we have it, okay? We don't need to work on this for like 10 days. Maybe your white border could slowly sparkle or glow in random places. No, because I don't want to bring attention to this at all. I don't. I want this to be there, but also not there. You know, because otherwise it draws too much attention. Let's move the alpha down. It totally didn't do anything. Okay, how about point 2? Yeah, that totally did not do anything either. Great. I think what I need to do here is multiply that. And then that's actually taking effect. Okay, now it's starting to take effect. We can make it a bit brighter. I think this is fine. I can change this over time. Here, alpha is now the distance. Look at this. Huh? This is good. This is... It shows what's going on decently well. And if we increase the range, bloop. When you select a character and place it, can't there be some nice animation like the orange drops from above? No, because you don't need that, bro. Like, we don't need to work on this. What we need is a ranged indicator showing that we can place it or not. Boom. And then another ranged indicator showing that we can place it or not. That's it. And that's what we're gonna do now. So instead of this color here, I want to use that color. Get rid of this. I don't think I want transparent at all. We might need a progress bar. The only thing I don't like is that it seems like it's not round at the top bottom. Yeah, it's not perfect. I agree. It does look a little weird. But I think it's best. This is the best thing I could do. I think it looks really, really, really good. I'm so happy with this. This is, guys, it doesn't need to be perfect, but this looks somewhat professional. Like, guys, on a scale from 0 being noob and 10 being incredibly professional, how much? How much? What do you guys say? 7? 7 out of 10? 8 out of 10? Cakes out. That is not a number, bro. I don't like the inner circle. Wouldn't it be better without it? No, it needs to be there. It needs to be there. 7. Add gradient. We already have. We already have a gradient, bro. Let me show you. Watch. Look how, like, the white circle makes it a bit difficult to see, but we have. Watch. You see this? This light gradient here? Watch. There is a gradient, bro. It's already there. See that? Take a look. There it is. Now, can you change that 7 to a better number? Come on, bro. You can do that. Give me a better number. Come on. Which number? I would remove the inner circle. This is just for debug reasons. This will disappear soon. That's what we do next. Oh my god! Look me trying to place it on top. Look how that looks, bro. That looks so good. Oh. Dude. Huh? Huh? The last thing is to remove the shadow under the unit. No, the shadow needs to be there. 100 out of 10. Oh, it's a straight 5. Okay, the rate is toxic, actually. Can you show intersection with pass too? Right now it's non-functional, but that's something I will do in the next couple of days/weeks. Yes. We will add back into the game that you cannot place units onto the road. This is something that I wanted to do for a long time. And yeah. So, now a big question is the following, guys. All of this is very stylish, right? I should do, like, okay, here's... I guess the answer is obvious. But you know all of these things that we just did, right? All of this stuff here. In the shader. If I wanted to draw a circle now, it would always look this. It would always do, you know, the... this has to be done always, right? Obviously. But this stuff right here, attack, range, circle, color, modifications. All of this stuff here is essentially just the attack range circle. Starting with the pixelation on top. This stuff right here. So, I guess the question... Oh, also, we don't need that anymore, don't we? Wait, I still need to do this? Wait. I still need to do this, guys. Why? Ah, because of the plus here, right? Fine, I'll keep it. It's fine. It's okay. Listen, like, we are not bottlenecked on the GPU anyways. So essentially what I'm trying to say here is the following. If I wanted to have it... This can be done here then. Let me just clean this up a little bit here. I wanted the same thing for the progress bar, which means we literally have to do the pixelation length squared again. There we go. Then we have the progress. Progress, we have the angle. And we have the start and end angle. And then it does the smooth step. I think, oh yeah, and the start and end angle as well. And then this stuff right here can go away. The reason why I'm doing this now is because I need that in the game. I want to test what this looks like. This should look wrong now. Yeah, it's just a white circle. See, this is the cool thing. You see that? I can now change the progress. And that's the first thing. Now, color minus, right? So like, for example, I want to dot G and B, green and blue is... Wait, I want to remove from green and blue, right? Huh? Why not? Wait, why can I not do that? There's no green and blue operand on color? Oh, I see. Ah, bro. Okay. Float. Green, blue is color minus this. Right? Use ZY. No, the color is just a float. And then I want to have color. Then R red. Then green, blue, and color. Oh my god! Do you see that? Hello, Tiger of THD. What the fuck? Yay! You see that? Now, we still have to do this, I think. Right? Do I have to do this? This doesn't do anything. Okay. Goodness. Yeah. Red, green, and blue. Okay. Goodness, I'm confused. Stop. Yeah, guys, I'm currently in flow state. I'm a bit confused here. I need this discard thing. Cakez? What are you guys talking about? Huh? I'm so confused. This is the attack circle. Yeah. And then I want green, blue. Green and blue, I want those to be green, blue. Why not? Oh, I see, because it's a vector too. Yeah. Okay. But then it changes the entire color completely. You see that? You see that, guys? Why? I'm just changing green and blue. Oh, I see. I changed the entire green blue. I see. Wait a minute. So green blue need to be multiplied or minus equals. Only the green and blue part need to be minus equals the smooth step here, right? Right? Am I dumb? No. You also did green blue times 1,000. Yeah, but that's dumb. Maybe I have to do plus. Or I need to do red minus. Wait, maybe red plus? Oh! 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 What do you guys think? Huh? Is that a good thing? Now we have a part where it shows we can attack there. Red equals progress halted. You can make it rotate like a radar. Yeah, but that's not the point. The point is that you cannot attack in this direction. Looks confusing? No, it only looks confusing if it's not against an object. The blended red tunes to purplish, so you mean it should be a little bit more red? I mean, it's additive blending, that's why, you know. That's a big reason why that behaves the way it behaves. This looks better. I think this is better. This. Having a yellow line here and then a blue line here. But it's a bit odd. Isn't it supposed to be a white line? Maybe I have to do this? Yeah. Did that change anything actually? Lol. Yeah, look at this, guys. Huh. Like this. Something has happened over the past days? Yeah, sir. Been real. It has, 100%. Thank you very much for following, bro. Color is according to Tangerine class. I think we keep it like this. Try to make the blue more greenish. I don't really want to, man. It looks really good, to be honest. Can you show the ranged archer? No, but I can make this guy bigger. Give him more range. That's essentially the ranged archer. This is it. I don't think the combo of this blue and red look nice together. I think it does. I mean, it's objective. It's fine. If I have cleared the lower left map, the lower half of a map completely, in their billions, and there's just water all around, bridge in the very north, can they spawn any zombies in the fog of war? No, right? If there's no physical way to get to you or from the lower left, they will walk around the mountains and come from the sides. You have to make sure that there's absolutely no way they can come to you. When you play any map in their billions, starting from minute 3, zombies will approach your base. If you have something down there and you can see zombies not approaching from that direction, that means they can spawn in the fog of war outside of the map, but they will walk around the mountains or lakes if they are blocked. They will still spawn there if they can. If they cannot spawn there, they will try spawning more to the sides until they find a location where they can spawn. Yeah. I'll keep it like this, guys. We can work on this all day, but I'm pretty sure this is... I'm happy this is good enough. Now, there's one thing I need to change. The percentage... I think it should be a flat number. You know what? I'm just keeping it. I think I'm keeping it. Why don't you use colors from your color palette, Cakez? But I did. As far as I know. Maybe? Let me try 28. Let's see how that looks. I don't see a difference. Wait. Draw, attack, range indicator. See? Color palette 28. Hi Cakez, how are you today? I'm good. Thanks for asking, bro. Currently working on... Wait, it didn't change. That's odd. Let me see. 28. That's a blue that I know of. It's literally the same, bro. Like 27. That's a bit darker blue. Yeah, it's the same, bro. So it doesn't really matter what type of color I do here. 27. We can quickly check an A-sprite. What is 27? It's this color right here. And I think 26 is too dark. Not even know if I have 20. I do have 26. This is 26, even darker. It's just a bit darker. We can also use 26. It doesn't really matter. Cool. Very nice. Very happy about this. We made really good progress today. Wait, this never changes. So that doesn't... Mr. Hoffnung, thank you very much for following, bro. I appreciate it. Wait, we don't need this. Oh, this is red. Let's see. And if it can be placed... I see. Red if it can't be placed. There we go. How does that look? Wait, do I have to build this first? Okay, we should focus on something else now. Great, it's empty. That's bad. Because of the progress bar thing. Red. This sucks. Yeah, we don't have a blue and green channel. That's the issue. If we can't place it at all, that sucks. I think if I do this, then it will work. No, it's still completely... Bro! What if I do plus equals? Okay, this is red. And then if I do a progress here, let's say 0.4. Okay, it still works. Thank goodness. Okay, now we have it. I just needed to do an add. And it looks almost exactly the same. It's somewhat of a different color, but it works. Okay, cool. Nice.